Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a product review on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and review an item that you recently purchased. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on Account on the bottom middle hand side. Then, click on Orders and Purchases. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and find the order which you want to go ahead and review. So let's take this TV, for example. So click on View Order Details and then scroll down and then click on Write a Review. Now, once you click on Write a Review, you can mark it as 5 stars, leave a review title, add the actual review, and then enter these details, then click on Post Review. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave a product review on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.